Hey, I'm just going to make a super quick video here showing you, first of all, how to find eNotes, transcript, and glossary, just going over these things. So step 1, log in. Kind of goes without saying. Step 2, click on your next activity. And then on the right-hand side, click that plus sign to expand the eNotes, transcript, and glossary. It'll come up, you'll get these 3 little tabs, and you can choose eNotes, transcript, or glossary. And basically that's it. You're on your way if you do that. And so how do you use these? What do you do with these? Okay, so after taking the eNotes, if you're able to print it out, that's really helpful, okay? If you can't print it out, I recommend just writing them out in a notebook, or you could take screenshots, whatever works best. Use as reference material during projects. There's all kinds of cool tools. You can create an outline, yada, yada, yada. So make use of those things. They're totally worth it. The 2 minutes you spend figuring this stuff out is going to really make a difference in your classes. The transcript, if you're like me and you have trouble sometimes just listening to somebody talk, you want to be able to see it, you can follow along. You can actually go in and highlight, underline, do things like that. And then you can copy and paste those transcripts, whether you put it into eNotes or if you make your own, you have your own word processing document, you can paste them in. It's, as my dad would say, a slick deal. And then glossary, that can come in really handy if you're in a course that has lots of really weird terms that might be confusing or whatever. That can come in very handy as well. If you want these PDFs from me, just let me know and I will send them to you. You can use them as reference. I may have actually sent these out to you. I've sent them out quite a bit, but I'm very happy to send them out. And of course, as always, just please ask me for help. That's what I'm here for.